A noun phrase is a fascinating part of our language that plays a crucial role in how we communicate. At its core, a noun phrase consists of a noun, which is the head word, along with other words that modify or describe it. These modifiers can be adjectives, determiners, or even other phrases that give us more information about the noun. Essentially, a noun phrase functions just like a noun in a sentence, allowing us to convey detailed meanings efficiently. Let's break this down with some examples. Take the sentence, he is wearing a nice red shirt. Here, a nice red shirt is the noun phrase. The head noun is shirt, and it's modified by a, nice, and red. Each of these words adds layers of meaning, helping us visualize exactly what kind of shirt we're talking about. Now consider another example. She brought a glass full of water. In this case, a glass full of water is the noun phrase. The head noun is glass and it's modified by a and the phrase full of water. This tells us not just what she brought, but also what that glass contains. Noun phrases can also serve as subjects in sentences. For instance, in "the boy with brown hair is laughing," the entire phrase "the boy with brown hair" functions as the subject. The head noun is boy, and it's modified by "the" and "with brown hair," giving us a clear picture of who is laughing. Let's look at another subject example. A man on the roof was shouting. Here, a man on the roof is the noun phrase. The head noun is man, modified by a and on the roof. This tells us not only who is shouting, but also where he is. Noun phrases can be quite complex and can even appear multiple times in a single sentence. For example, in "The girl with blue eyes bought a beautiful chair," we have two noun phrases, "the girl with blue eyes" as the subject and "a beautiful chair" as the object. Each phrase adds depth to the sentence, allowing us to understand the action and the participants involved. To identify the function of a noun phrase in a sentence, look for the role it plays. Is it the subject performing the action, or is it the object receiving the action? You can often spot noun phrases by looking for the head noun and its modifiers. If you can replace the entire phrase with a pronoun like he, she, or it, then you've likely identified a noun phrase. In summary, noun phrases are essential building blocks of our sentences. They enrich our language by allowing us to express detailed ideas succinctly. Whether it's describing a person, an object, or an action, noun phrases help us communicate clearly and effectively. So, next time you write or speak, pay attention to those noun phrases. They're doing a lot of heavy lifting in your sentences.